Somebody please tell me what that is. The 2000 F-250 with a 7.3 diesel in it. Any help? Thanks.